Lekker, Andy. Andy is learning. He loves to do the colors. Wow, what is that now? The auto. So guys, we're gonna to make the cake for the kids today. So the boy is helping me, and today is school vrijdagen, 1 day holiday. So we're gonna make a cake. And here gonna do on the oven. I use this sign, and this I use 180, and here I use 145. To use 200 gram of sugar. It's up. Oh. Okay, 200 gram of sugar. So I also use 200 gram of butter, and I mix with the sugar. I'm going to mix this for about 5 minutes until it's a little bit white color. 6 egg. 6 egg. And for the milk, this is the milk. Here I have 200 gram of flour, and I'm gonna to use this one, the baking powder, but I'm gonna use around 10 gram. So around like that. And you have the milk, and this one is the pandan. Pandan is the taste, make the taste nice. And I also have vanilla essence. Add the flour. Add the milk. So I also use little bit of salt, vanilla essence. Oops, that is so much. And here is the pandan. It's only few drops. Okay. So we're gonna to put this all inside for about 50 minutes. So we're gonna check the cake. Yeah, this already done. Wow, beautiful. Ta-da! Cake is done. Super. Nice, guys. Okay. That is nice.
Maar wij ook niet pizza? Goeie wij, goeie pizza.
So we're pretending to be a birthday again, like always. And let's take a look with this one. Wow, look at that, guys. It's beautiful cake. Lekker, Andy? Okay guys, hope you enjoy watching this video, and thank you so much for watching. See you next time and give it a try, and bye bye. And you want to eat more, so beautiful top.